Hey guys, what's up? It's Giuseppe Builds. I'm back with more learnings and some content for you, which will be given to you if you comment below, because this is a Claude-based tutorial. It's actually for anything, even if you're using ChatGPT. Now, what I've done here is I've just gone through, I failed on a giant website, but in that time, I was able to learn a lot about agents and how I want to use these agents in the future, and how you should use these agents in the future. Now, in total, it says here, I built about 12 agents, 12 specialized agents. And what I'm going to do, 95% across future projects, 2 to 8 hours per deployment. So that's how much each of these agents will save you, 2 to 8 hours each at 12 agents. You're looking at anywhere from 24 to 100 something hours plus of save time just with this. Now, here's what I'm going to do is, if you comment below, just say, hey, agent structure below. If you type in agent, Claude agent structure below, I will send this to you directly, and you will get a copy of all of these agents. You can copy and paste this into your Claude, and you will immediately have all of these agents available to you. They will also be for long-term storage in my school community. If you're curious about joining a school community, mine is the one. We're out here building businesses, making money, learning sales, AI, etc. We're in the trenches with the boys. Thank you so much. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. Now, the first one that I made was a architecture strategist agent. Review code, change it from an architectural perspective, evaluate system decisions, and ensure modifications align with established architectural plans. That's really kind of in depth. We're going to go just the next one. Best practices researcher agent. Okay. Research and gather external best practices, documentation, and examples for any technology, framework, or development practice. Now, this is good for when you're putting together landing pages, hero pages, SEO best practices, all that kind of stuff that you want your website to be the best at. This is what it's good for. Multi-source research aggregation, framework, specific patterns, industry standard identification, that stuff. So that way, whatever you're building is up to par with whatever else you happen to be doing. Let's go on to the next one. We're going to haul through these a little bit because, like I said, if you want them, comment below that you want the Claude research agents handed to you, and I will link them to you directly. Now, code simplicity reviewer agent, very important. Review code changes for simplicity and minimalism, right? We don't want anything. You aren't going to need it. Adherence. What's the next one? Data integrity guardian agent. Oh, wow. That thought of something crazy. Review database migrations, data models, and code that manipulates persistent data for safety constraints and integrity. Great. What else we got here? How to use in future projects. Okay. 5, DHH Rails Reviewer Agent. Provide brutally honest Rails code review from David Heinemeier Hansen's perspective. Identify anti-patterns and Rail convention violations. I don't even know who that guy is, but I'm glad that he's reviewing my stuff now. Let's see what else. Feedback Codifier agent. Analyze and codify feedback patterns from code reviews to improve existing reviewer agents and establish repeatable patterns. Great. There's one in here that I'm looking for. Framework docs researcher agent. Yes, it kind of ties back to gather comprehensive documentation for best practices. That is a bit of a duplicate, so I might get this to clip that one out or combine them. And as you can see in each of these, I'm not going through them 100%, but what you get is the purpose, the capabilities, the key features, and a real world use in a project, what it would have done, case study results, how it would have completed the work, and in future projects, what it would do. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this to compact these, put them into a bit more of a concise package, and then I will link these down below. If you're thinking about which agents you want to use and how you want to use these agents, it's important to, even just when you're prompting, like, hey, if you need a specialized agent for this, check which ones we have, see if any of them will help you. And if not, spin one up just for this. It's super valuable. It'll save you a bunch of headaches. And like I said, below if you do want a piece of this, if you want to save about 2 to 8 hours per agent that's created, and also keep all the context kind of together. Comment below. Anyways, if you watched the end, you're an absolute legend. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.